I can feel myself climbing to the top of the world. So sure of myself, that's what you did, didn't hurt. I'll pick myself up from all the rubble and dirt, and remember just why I kicked your ass to the curb. All I'm seeing is the clear blue sky for me up ahead, and I'm moving on from you better than I'd expect. Even though there are times I think of all that was left, then I take a look at all I've got, my family and friends. Well, I've got to live each day like it's my last. I'm not here to let you tell me that I can't. Yeah, you'll never be a raindrop on my head. And for what it's worth, you ain't got the best of me yet. Well, I've stopped myself in awe of everything I have missed, stepping back in time, repairing all the damage I did. There are times I recall the simple way that we kiss, but to get caught up in both of us just doesn't fit. Every moment to moment, one day at a time, overlapping memories I'm making in my life.